Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In the previous video, we have seen about the position sticky CSS property and how it is useful and what is the difference between the fixed position property and also the sticky position property. We have seen it. Now in this video, we will see how in the real time we will be using the sticky position property. Let's try to see it. For example, here I am having a main element, and I will be having a section. In this section I am having a h1 heading 1, let's say, and I will be having some paragraph into some article I am having. So this is one section. Okay, if you try to observe, this is one section. Now I will replicate this section. 2, 3, 4, 5. Some 5 sections are there. Same section, 5 sections are there. So if I go to the top, so this is one section heading 1, and this is one section heading 2. You can have it, and this is one section heading 3. We can do it like this, heading 4, and I think heading 5. I can have heading 5. So there are 5 sections. Let's see the output, how it will look like. If I try to open this one, here we are having this all heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 like this. Let's do some CSS styling so that we can have some clear idea. H1 make it background color red. So same thing, text align center and give padding of 10 pixel. Let's see how could this output will look like. Yeah, this is the heading, and each one is having a heading. So for this one at the top you are having some gap because of the h1 has some default gap. Margin, let's make it as 0 pixel. Now we are able to see like this. Now what I want to do is, when I am scrolling this heading 1 should come position fixed until this heading 1 box section has been completed, and next heading 2 should be sticky, and then heading 3, so that I can able to know when I am scrolling, so to this content which heading does it belongs to. So when I am scrolling here, so for making this one, what I can do is h1 I can make it as a position sticky. Okay, so I can make it as position sticky and we can make it as top 0 pixel. Why? Because the sticky position element, it will remain fixed in its parent container only, in its parent box only. So heading 1 is there. Now immediately it will come. So when heading 2 comes, here see, heading 1 has gone away and heading 2 came. So for the heading 3 it has helped it, heading 3 came, and here you will be able to see heading 4 like this. So heading 5 we are not having scrolling, so we are able to see it like this. So now when we are scrolling here, so we are able to see that which this one, the content, what is the heading we are having, we are able to see it very clearly. And now when I move over, so here the content, the heading for this content is heading 2. We are able to understand it very easily. So this is how we can able to do using the CSS, using the sticky property like this. So previously when the sticky position property was not there, we need to get it achieved through the JavaScript, through the offset height and all those things we need to do it. So this is how we can do it. Now not only in the top, we can also make it in the bottom also. For example, if I want to make it as a bottom, from the bottom I am having here, this is the sections, right? These are all the sections. In the main I can have here one div, login or continue reading or something like this. I can have some continue reading, and this continue reading class is equal to some button, let's say continue, or otherwise I can have some continue. And let's try to do the CSS and dot continue, and here we will be having position sticky. Okay, so from bottom we are having 0 pixel. So from the bottom I am keeping 0 pixel. Let's see how it will look like. If you see here, so these are all the headings, right? Now we are not able to see this continue reading is there, right? So here we are able to see it. So let's try to add some background color for this one. Background color light green, width is of some 200 pixel, and if you try to see the output, how it will look like, yeah, this is the thing, right? Now if I try to make it as margin auto, so if it will come to the center. Okay, it came to the center. in the content also you can make it as text align center. Let's see. Yeah, and here I want to have something like not green. Green I will keep some thick green. Fine, right? Yeah, we are able to get it. I will have some padding of 10 pixel. That's it. So I don't want to go. So this is the reading. Now if you try to see here, we are able to get that continue reading here, right? So what I can do here is okay. So what I can do here is, so we have kept it as position sticky, right? I will keep this one as z index of -1 so that it will come at the back end. Okay, if you try to see here, so this is at the back end. Now what another one what I can do is here, this entire main is there, right? So this entire main we can keep it as something like main background color. Okay. Background color I can keep it as white. Okay, I can keep it as white. Now if you try to see here, so that one is also getting overridden, right? Let's go into this one and I will try to remove this one out of the main. I think this one will look like. So now if I'm trying to see here, see here we are able to get this continue reading. Now it is going back and going coming back. Now if you want to see the exact thing, so for this section or main, I can add margin bottom of something around 100 pixel. I will add it. Okay, so now if you try to see here, see now it will come here and it is going away, or otherwise what I can do is, instead of keeping for margin bottom this one, for continue I will keep margin bottom of 100 pixel. Let's see, we'll see. So now here if I am going, see this one is going away. If I am coming, this one is coming. How it is behaving if you try to see. Or otherwise what I can do here, position bottom, from bottom I can keep 100 pixel again. Let's try see. So now if I try to see here, see now immediately it is going away. Now if I come here, immediately it will come. See, like this we can do it. So that depends how we can want. So from margin top and margin bottom also we can do it. This all depends. So how could be the design and all those things, you can do it. This is how we can do the, like this we can do it. So hope you understood about this one. So or otherwise we can keep it 0 pixel only, then only it will be fine, right? Now if I try to see, okay, now only it will be going, now it will come immediately. See, now it will come immediately. Or otherwise, so for continue button only we have given margin bottom 100 pixel, right? Okay. So here we can do it like this, or otherwise we can have some 50 pixel here, keep bottom. Okay, now it will go away and now here it will come. So like this we can have it. It will look somewhat fine. So like this, see the continue reading when you come down, so it is automatically coming. So like this we can do it. For the top we can have the position sticky, and also in the bottom also we are able to do the position sticky. So this is how the position sticky will be very useful. So in the real time when we are trying to use it. Hope you understood about this sticky element thing position property. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.